Hey guys, this is Pranayman from St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to learn about hybrid inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. This video is made by Anushka Ganorkar, Pranayman and Manish Chaudhary, which is been guided by Professor Swati Mirlekar. Outcomes are: we will get to know about hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. We will understand hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance through examples. Contents: hierarchical inheritance and its block diagram, hybrid inheritance and its block diagram, example on hierarchical and hybrid inheritance with explanation. Hierarchical inheritance: when several classes are derived from common base class, it is called as hierarchical inheritance. In C++, hierarchical inheritance, the feature of base class is inherited onto more than one subclass. For example, a car is common class from which Audi, Ferrari, Maruti, etc. can be derived. Hierarchical inheritance block diagram. As shown in above block diagram, in C++, hierarchical inheritance all derived class have common base class. The base class includes all features that are common to derived classes. As in other inheritance based on visibility mode used or access specifier used while deriving, the properties of base class are being derived. Access specifier can be private, public, or protected. Syntax: Class A, where Class A is the base class. Body of Class A. Class ends Class B, access specifier A. Body of Class B. Class ends Class C, access specifier A. Body of Class C. Class ends Class D, access specifier A. Body of Class D. Class ends. Example: hashtag include iostream.h using namespace std. Class A, where Class A is the single base class. Public int x void get data cout enter the value of x endl cin x. Class B, public A, where B is derived from the base class. Public int void read data cout enter the value of y endl cout cin y. Void product cout product x multiplied by y. Class C, public A, where C is derived from base class. Public void sum cout sum x plus y. Int main B obj1 C obj2, where obj1 and obj2 are the object of derived class B and class C respectively. obj1 dot get data, obj1 dot read data, obj1 dot product, obj2 dot sum, return 0. Program ends. Output: enter the value of x and y, where x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Product equals to 6. Enter the value of x and y, where x equals to 2, y equals to 3, sum equals to 5. Explanation: in this example, there is only one base class A, from which two class B and C are being derived. Both derived class have their own members as well as base class members. The product is calculated in derived class B, whereas sum is calculated in derived class C. But both use the values of x and y from the base class. Hybrid inheritance: the inheritance in which derivation of class involves more than one form of any inheritance is called as hybrid inheritance. Basically, C++ hybrid inheritance is combination of two or more type of inheritance. It can also be called multipath inheritance. Following block diagram highlights the concept of hybrid inheritance, which involve single and multiple inheritance. Hybrid inheritance block diagram. Above block diagram shows the hybrid combination of single inheritance and multiple inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is used in a situation where we need to apply more than one inheritance in a program. As in other inheritance based on visibility mode used or access specifier used while deriving, the properties of base class are derived. Access specifier can be private, public or protected. Syntax. Class A, body of class A, class ends. Class B, colon, public A, body of class B, class ends. Class C, body of class C, class ends. Class D, colon, public B, comma public C, body of class D, class ends. As shown in block diagram, class B is derived from class A, which is single inheritance, and then class D is inherited from B and class C, which is multiple inheritance. So single inheritance and multiple inheritance jointly result in hybrid inheritance. Example: hashtag include iostream.h, class A, public, int x, class B, colon, public A, public B, where B is then constructor call, x equals to 10, class C, public, int y, C, where C is then constructor call, y equals to 4, class D, colon, public B, comma public C, public, void sum, cout, sum, x plus y, int main, d1, d1.sum, return 0, output, sum 14. References are. Thank you.